Hi guys, I wanted to give you a quick little intro of what you will be doing in order to take attendance from now on and how we will be using the Quickwrites in class. You will always find this Quickwrite screen in your Google Classroom stream right under the Zoom link. So just like where you found the attendance form before, now it says Quickwrite and it will say your period afterwards. So in the Quickwrite, you will see some tabs at the bottom. You will see something that says example, template, and whatever the day's date is. You always have to click on that day's date. Notice that it will say your last name and it'll say your email. Each of these rows is protected so that only the owner of that email can type in. So if we go to the example, you can see that in the example, things are color-coded so that if you're not following the instructions or if you leave it blank or if you don't answer it in the correct format, it'll be color-coded. You want your answer to end up being dark green. So you can see over here that if it's not dark green, that means it's not 1 point. So if we take a look at 827, we can see that there is a Quickwrite and a number type of question. So if everyone follows the instructions correctly, their squares will all be dark green. And you want to keep this out and open every day because there will be multiple questions throughout the day. This is how I am taking attendance. This is where your question of the day will be. This is also how I am gauging your participation throughout class. So every student, every time I ask a question, will have to answer it. So we can also find this under our classwork stream, under our warm-ups, weekly agenda, and Quickwrite. We can find those things right here.